So the topic that's on everybody's mind all the time these days is AI. How does AI or does AI play into our partnership?
Great question. We've been doing a lot of stuff with language models like VLMs to do image detection on the real-time streams coming in, and pulling frames out of that to do like image detection or like anomalies in the stream, or just describing what's happening. Imagine like thousands of traffic cameras and you're looking for a wildfire taking place, right? A human being looking at them, it would take the fire would have to get going pretty high to actually notice it out of a grid of a bunch of things like that. So this is one kind of use case in the surveillance and kind of like market, but also just doing things like blurring out, somebody flipping the bird right in a live stream. I won't do it now because this is being recorded. And they'll have to blur me out. Maybe that would have been a good illustration of what I'm talking about. But there's all kinds of use cases like this, and most of the time you're doing analysis on the recordings as well, and having those recordings where you can, okay, I found that anomaly in the stream. Let's just use the fire example again. Then a human being is alerted, boom, it describes what's happening, and then we're using the recording, the HLS, to play back that stream of when it started. They can scrub back, oh yeah, sure enough, we better get the fire department on this immediately, and then they can snap back to real time, see how it's going now. Oh man, it's gotten bigger, we better deal with this, that kind of stuff. So the recordings are absolutely essential with these kind of use cases. I think the same is true with live broadcasts. They want to catch things, especially when you start getting into user-generated content. You don't want inappropriate things happening. You can just avoid those altogether. But yeah, there you go.
Okay, yeah.
And then there's the audio part, the live, transcription. Like this is basically a rabbit hole we could just keep going down and talking more and more about it.
I like the fire example though. That's a really good one.